Good morning children. Class 4 Science Lesson 2 Matter and Materials. This is the last topic is laws of reflection. It is only because of light we are able to see this world around us. Is it not children? Yes. Light reflection is a change in the direction of light wave falling on a reflective surface in mirror. Next, this reflected light falls in our eyes and this is how we see the objects. So what happens is when light falls on the surface of an object, it returns back or reflects the light. Hence, bouncing of light when it hits an object is called reflection. Yesterday we see this topic reflection. But while reflecting from mirrors, light follows a few laws which we will discuss them in laws of reflection. Here the first step is 1. The angle of incidence is the angle that an incident ray makes with a perpendicular to the surface at the point where light falls. See the picture again. The angle of refraction is the angle that a reflector ray make with a perpendicular to the surface at the point where light bounces off. Next, the second law of reflection states that the incident ray, the reflector ray and the normal to the surface lie in the same plane. This is a 3 law of reflection. See now 3 laws. The plane contains incident ray, first law, reflector ray, second law and the normal. Here the red color is incident ray showing indicate reflector ray is green and blue color is a normal. Next, first law reflection says that the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Both are equal children. See the straight line of the normal. Next we are going to see second law of reflection that the incident ray and reflector and normal ray lies in the same plane. See that mirror, both are the same plane. Next, laws of reflection 2. See that incident ray, angle of incident, angle of reflection, normal, refractor ray and refracting surface. Down is having a mirror. The law of reflection. When light strikes a surface, it is reflected. The light ray striking the surface is called the incident ray. A normal perpendicular line is then drawn at the point where the light strikes the surface. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. The light is then reflected so that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. The angle of reflection is the angle between normal and reflected light wave. Here you are going to see the incident ray, light coming from light source. Reflector ray, light that bounces off the surface is called reflector ray. Normal line, a line that is perpendicular 90 degree with the surface to the plane mirror. Angle of incidence, it denoted letter is I. The angle between incident ray and the normal line. Angle of reflection, it indicate the letter is R. The angle between the reflector ray and the normal line. This is method for using the laws of reflection. What are they? Incident ray, normal, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, reflector ray. I is equal to R. See down the mirror is given. By that mirror only it reflected these rays. Now see the small picture here. How mirror's surface is smooth, light is reflected completely. 2 types of reflection, regular reflection and irregular reflection. First we are going to see regular reflection. It is using a smooth surface. First point, if the parallel incident ray are reflected in such a way that all the reflector rays are also parallel to each other. Such a reflection is known as regular reflection. Irregular reflection, if the parallel rays falls on an irregular surface, then the reflector rays scattered in all directions. Such a reflection is called irregular reflection. It reflected parallel to each other is regular reflection. It scattered in all direction is called irregular reflection. If it is rough says light is scattered. If it is smooth rays, the light is parallel to each other. See the pictures now. Again we'll say second point, it occurs only if the rays are falling on a highly smooth polished surface like a plane mirror. It occurs if the rays are falling on a rough surface. This type of reflections enable us to see the object around us. Here in regular reflection using a smooth polished surface in plane mirror, then it occurs that the rays are falling in that plane mirror. In that irregular reflection in the rough surface, so that that reflection will not fall, it will be scattered into all directions. This is a method of reflection of light. Now let us see reflection of light. When light falls on a highly polished surface like a mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection of light. Law of reflection of light. Laws of reflection of light. First point, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Point 2, the incident ray, the reflector ray and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane. Now, the angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and normal. The angle of reflection is the angle between the reflector ray and the normal. The angle of refraction is the angle between the transmitter and the normal. So, what is my reflection of light? Laws of reflection states the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. I is equal to R. Watch the video carefully. Learn about laws of reflection. Lesson will be completed. Next class onwards, notes will be given. Thank you. Have a nice day.